Hello to all the Malaysian. Today I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I want to share with you something that could benefit you on Huobi platform today, and let's stay tuned. As we all know, as a Malaysian, Binance might get banned by SEC Malaysia. Might, okay. And most of you are trying to look and seek for other exchange platform. So you can actually go on the CoinMarketCap and search for the newest and the best platform in the world to secure your tradings and whatsoever. So today I want to share with you on this Huobi and what can it actually benefit you as a Malaysian. So if you are having your trades most of the time in other exchanges like Binance, you can actually check it out on Huobi platform offers. Why? Because recently Huobi has already come up with a new campaign that actually targets the Malaysian traders or the Malaysian investors to sign up. Why? Because if you look at this banner, you can actually see that there is one banner called let me share with you. Yeah, here. Malaysian users enjoy VIP fees rate. You can actually become a VIP easily in Huobi platform now. Let me show with you how does it go about. So newly registered Malaysian user within the promotion period could apply the Huobi VIP tradings, and this Huobi VIP can actually give you a very low rate on the maker fee and the taker fee, meaning that you don't need to pay much fees like what we always do. I think if I'm not mistaken, standard fees is about 0.2%, and if you apply for Huobi VIP and you are a VIP user, you can actually enjoy the 0.0467 maker fee and also the 0.0513 taker fee, and share up to 50,000 USDT reward for completing the bonus task. Very easy. What you're gonna do is you just need to register a Huobi account and complete KYC. So how do you want to apply the Huobi VIP trading fee? It's very easy. You just need to deposit a total value of 1 BTC and above on Huobi or Huobi spot trading volume, which is 1 BTC or all the way to 10 BTC. Okay, what does it mean? Basically, either you deposit 1 BTC straight away to Huobi trading platform, or you just deposit about 0.5. Let's say I give an example, 0.5 BTC, and then you start trading, like you buy 0.5 BTC and then you sell 0.5 BTC, that is equivalent to 1 BTC. So let's say if you have 0.2 BTC, you just trade until it has 1 BTC of trading volume, then it's also considered as you completed this task. Or let's say if you having a lot of Bitcoin or a lot of USDT or a lot of any amount that has equivalent above more than 10 BTC, you can straight away apply this Huobi VIP. Or let's say if you not really want to trade, or maybe you have a lot of money or some of the coins tokens that are more than 10 BTC on other exchanges. Okay, let's say for example, if you have stored maybe worth up to 10 BTC on other exchanges in Binance or in other platform, you can actually screenshot your last 30 days trading volumes on other exchange platform, and you can actually submit your screenshot via the form. So basically you just click on this form and then you just send your screenshot or whatsoever, proving that you have so much of trading volumes in other exchanges in the last 30 days, and you can actually also apply for this VIP reward. So this is the activity ones to apply for the VIP trading fee rates. And the second activity is very interesting also. This is actually 50,000 USDT bonus task. You will get 100 times 150 USDT for user who deposit 1 BTC to Huobi within the promotion ends, meaning that you need to deposit 1 BTC or above, and then you will get 100 times 150 US dollar, which is, if let's say I pull a calculator, let me pull a calculator. Let's say you have a voucher of 100 times 150 is equivalent to 15,000 USDT for free. So let's say if you want to get 250 times 100, then you need to have a spot trading volume more than 10 Bitcoin within the promotion period. Very simple, you just trade whatever token up to 10 BTC. For example, each trading you trade is about 1 BTC. You only need to trade 9 or 10 tradings, then you can get trading volumes of 10. So the task is very simple for those big players or big whales or big users. And the last one is the 100 times 100 USDT, which is 10,000. So invited users to the campaign that apply Huobi VIP trading rates, which is the activity ones, or complete the bonus task 1 or 2, where the inviter UID stated that the invitee's application form. So whenever you registered my invitees application form, that I will actually share down at my description below. You guys can actually click on it and directly register the account. So once you have registered, all applicants who complete the task, the bonus task 1 or 2, can entitle for the VIP trading fees rate. Yet the USD reward are first come first serve. So most of the notes are all written here, and most of the descriptions are all written here. If you want to read more about it, I'll actually put down the link at below. You guys can actually read about it. But it's pretty clear that it's very straightforward for all the new registered Malaysian users on Huobi platform who want to use Huobi platform. And these are actually a very good chance for you to get free 50,000 worth of USDT, and also good maker fees and also taker fees. So this maker fees and taker fees for these VIP users is actually very benefit, because I think Binance also doesn't offer that good maker fees and taker fees. Yep. So these are all the rules that are very simple, which is the register account, complete the KYC, and the existing users that have not traded on Huobi for 6 months. Okay, so most of it are here. You guys can check it out. It's very interesting for Malaysian users and newly Malaysian users that want to migrate from other exchanges to new platform, which is Huobi, or maybe they want to start up with big amount of money in cryptocurrencies, in crypto world, in crypto space, and they actually haven't been trading in crypto space before. They can actually apply for this Malaysian users campaign, which is very interesting for all the Malaysian. You can actually check it out. I think that's all for today. As a bonus, looking at the ADA versus USD pairing is looking very good right now. Looking at this, you can see that the ADA is striking all above this $1.97 right now, and it almost reached $2. Okay, so whether or not is it going to surge further up, then we need to look at the weekly chart, because the weekly chart seems like it's very bullish. As I stated before in my previous video, if this candlestick manages to close all above this area, closing above this resistance zone, then most likely the next resistance zone is around this $2.25 to $2.30. So I can't wait for the next week, which is the Monday candlestick. See where it closes, then only we can justify whether or not is this a very confirmed bullish uptrend. But recently there's a lot of good news. Charles actually had do a AMA brief updating on ADA actually on the 10th August, which surprisingly made the ADA surge even higher and higher. Due to the briefing of the smart contract is coming nearer towards the end of August to the early of September, and very interesting. And you look at the daily chart, it seems like it's doing very good right now. Okay, let's say if daily chart it closes this area, most likely you could see the next resistance level should be around the $2.30. Yep. So hope things play out very nicely, and make sure to look at the Huobi newly campaign for the Malaysian users. And I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.